Let's take a look at how to make a custom sorted list based on cell color. Here we've got a simplified list of projects and we've color coordinated these projects: green for complete, yellow for in process, and red for not started. And what we want to do is we want to sort these so that everything that's completed is on the top, and then everything in yellow is in the middle, and then everything in red is at the bottom. If you click this filter button right here, you can sort by color. So if we select this green color right here, what that does is it puts all of the green items on top, but you can see that the red and yellow are still not sorted. The reason for this is Excel has no way of knowing which colors you want to see in which order. So we'll undo that and get our list here again. The key to making this work is by creating a custom sort list. So go to the Data tab of the ribbon and click this Sort button right here. And here we've got this sort box where we can make a few changes. So first we need to select the column that we want to sort. Here we're going to use the status column right there. And then the sort on is basically what we want to sort by, what type of information we want to sort. Typically you sort on cell values, but you can also choose cell color, font color, or a conditional formatting icon. In this example, we'll want to use cell color, and then we get to select which cell color we want to show on top first. So it defaulted to red, but we'll pick this green, and we want to see it on top. You could also change that to the bottom if you wanted to. So if we just click this and click OK, then it'll do the same thing as we saw before. It just puts the green at the top. So we actually need to tell Excel what our full list is. We'll come into this sort box again, and it's saved our items. And then we'll click Add Level. And you can go through and do the same, fill out the same information, and click yellow on top. And then we'll add another level here, even though we probably wouldn't need to since we only have 3 colors. But instead of adding a level and then selecting everything new, we'll just copy the level with this Copy Level button. This helps us because now all we need to do is change this color to a red. We'll click OK. And now our entire list is sorted by color. Obviously, with 7 items, this isn't a huge issue, but if you had hundreds of lines, this would be a real time saver. The key is telling Excel what that custom order is that you want.